It's so dark up here with this exit. Let's see if we can take it. What's up, everybody? Right now we're going for a drive on the highway, and it is raining and it is at night, so we got all the things against us right now. But let's engage Autopilot and see how well it can do in this condition. Like right now, there's a lot of water flying up off the ground from the cars in front of us. There's rain coming down on us. It's dark. It's really hard to see the lane lines out here in person. I'm not sure how well you guys can see them on camera, but it's not the best visibility ever, although so far Autopilot's doing a good job. We are on the new update 2020.8.1, so maybe things are improved, although I guess things haven't actually been bad, and I was really impressed last time I used it in the rain on a road trip. So if you guys want to check out that video, go check that out. But it was during the day, so there was a lot of light, but you still couldn't see the road at all, and it was coming down super hard. But right now we're at night, and we're gonna try this out. So far, so good. We're going to be taking this interchange right here to switch freeways. See how well I can take this curve in the rain and in the dark. Now, the road doesn't really have that much water on it, but it's dark and has low visibility, so that's still something. As you can see on the other side, there's a bunch of mist coming up off the ground from all the cars driving through. But so far right now, we don't have that many people around us, and when we got on the freeway, it was pretty bad. Okay, let's see how it does this. See, it's doing a really good job. Like, I could barely see the lines through the mist when it does happen, and I'm not having any issues. I mean, Autopilot's not having any issues. Alright, looks like this guy's gonna pass us. Ooh, there's a lot of water right there. Okay, we're gonna take this turn. Alright, we're staying within the lines. It's taking it very smoothly. I'm really curious if they fixed ping-ponging with this update as well. I'm not sure if it's the best idea to test it in the rain and in the dark, but if it's really good now, then it should be good during the day too, right? The automatic wipers are doing their job, keeping the cameras clean, keeping the windshield clean. I can see perfectly fine. Okay, so we gotta put the speed up a bit. I guess it's not the best comparison ever, but the back camera does have a lot of water on it, but it doesn't have the windshield wipers wiping it off every few seconds. And the back one always gets water stuck on it, you know, so it's not the best comparison because the front one's definitely going to be a little more clear every time the wipers pass by. Alright, so we're going 75 miles per hour right now. It's taking everything just fine. Right now we have some really good visibility though. The rain's not super hard, so I mean, it shouldn't be having any issues here. Heavy rain, wet roads, drive with care. Autopilot, I hope you can read. Okay, it looks like the windshield wipers are sped up. I don't think it's at the fastest. I think it's on, wait, what's it go up to, 4? It might be on 3? Now the wipers slowed down. It's kind of weird. The rain seems like it's the same, but the wipers decided to slow down a bit. Oh, look up ahead. I can see a bunch of mist coming off the ground. down. I guess it's on the other side because over here it looks pretty clear. Sounds like the rain's letting up a bit. You know what? We did lose about 5% already. Let's see. We're at close to 300 watt hours per mile, which isn't the worst, although it's definitely not the best. That guy was doing. I was like, why is he swerving so much? Turns out he was switching lanes without signaling on a turn. Okay. Although he is swerving a bit. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You see him? He can't even stay in the lane. Autopilot's doing just fine. Mist on the other side. I want to be in that. And then again, we got some on this side next to us. Oh, I'm not sure it's going to be a bother since we're going past it. Although the wipers are going really slow right now. Some of this is hitting us. I don't think it's hitting the camera though. It's weird because the placement of the cameras is actually really good to not get water on it, I've noticed. It's kind of weird. Something about it being up so high, the top part of the windshield just doesn't get wet. Maybe it's the way that the windshield's shaped. I'm not really sure on the aerodynamics of it, but it's doing a good job. fine. I'm gonna have to be getting over now to get this next exit. But I wanted to finish this curve off first. right here. Are we still curving? This is kind of weird. Autopilot's not having any issues with it, but it's driving me nuts. Alright, now let me get over. I have the signal on, don't I? I hate when it does that. It freaks me out. I'm like, what am I doing? Alright, let's get re-engaged. Oh god, it's so dark up here with this exit. Let's see if we can take it. Alright, now we should be dropping in speed. Look at this. There's like nothing up there. You could easily just drive off the road right here. Alright, it's slowing down for us because we're taking the exit. Wow, there's like no lights here. That's insane. I feel like the headlights were brighter before this last update. Alright, so we took it fine, and let me just get over to the right. And yeah, did a very good job on the highway. No interventions whatsoever. No issues, even in some parts where the road visibility was reduced pretty dramatically. Did a very good job. So I'm very impressed. At night in the rain. Wow, that is definitely something. I just love using Autopilot in the rain and seeing what it can do. But yeah, now we're on the streets, and it looks like we're gonna be ending this one. So let me know what you guys thought. Let me know. I mean, it did very good. I don't know if you have any issues with it, but if you do, if you saw something, let me know. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and until next time, I am out here.